Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sharanya, also known as Mrs. Explorer, and welcome to my channel where we talk all things travel, food, and lifestyle. Recently, I had the opportunity to fly with Sri Lankan Airlines, which is the flag carrier of Sri Lanka. And this video is all about my experience on board. So, I am starting my journey from Kembegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, and I will be traveling to Colombo, Sri Lanka. So this is a late night flight, but we had reached airport very early, which meant I had a lot of time to roam about the entire airport and explore all of it. We still had plenty of time to kill, so we decided to go check out the lounge at the international terminal. So the lounge that we are going to is the 080 lounge. We were not particularly hungry, but because this is an overnight flight and there is a lot of delay when we reach, so we decided to have a light dinner. You also get two drink vouchers per person when you are entering this lounge, and it is only applicable for few cards. We did not go for drinks, but then we decided to try some desserts because the dessert display was so good and worth trying. Now it was almost time to board the flight, so we checked out of the lounge and proceeded to the gates. So we are entering the aircraft now. So this seems to be a very old aircraft because the seats and everything seemed old and were not in a very good working condition. It was pretty average, but on the good side, the journey was only 1.5 hours and we finally reached Colombo International Airport. So, this is a layover flight. Our destination is not Colombo. So, we spent some time in their lounge and then it was time to catch the next flight. So like I said, this is a layover flight. I wouldn't really recommend it because it's an overnight layover and it kind of disturbs your sleep cycle. This was a very last minute plan for us, so most of the aircrafts were either sold out or very highly priced, so we had to take this layover flight. But I must tell you, the second aircraft was so much better than the first one we saw. The seats were comfortable, it had an entertainment system, so it came with some headphones. There were also blankets, meals were also served. So only the stretch from India to Colombo was bad. So it's morning now and breakfast will be served any minute. But before that, I decided to check out the menu to see what is popular here and what should we order. Now, if you watched my other videos where I post flight reviews, you would already know that when I travel, I like to try different things and we always try to opt for two different meals so that we can experience both the meals. So we did the exact same thing today. We ordered for the English breakfast and the Sri Lankan breakfast. So the breakfast tray has been served. Let's see what are there in this tray. So there was a set yogurt. So this is very standard in all flights. Then there are some cut fruits, majorly papaya, watermelon, and pineapple. They gave us a glass of water and they were also serving other beverages. So I had got some apple juice as well. So this is the Sri Lankan breakfast. Everything else remains the same, like they give you a yogurt and a fresh fruit bowl. But the breakfast here is something called kiribat and fish curry. So this is a Sri Lankan delicacy. It's made of rice and coconut milk and it's kind of paired with fish or chicken. Since it was early in the morning, I was not in a mood to eat rice, so I had opted for English breakfast and my husband had opted for this kiribat meal. So there were two kinds of kiribat again. One was made of white rice and another was made of brown rice. So each came with one portion each, and then there was also the side of fish and gravy. I must tell you, this was very delicious, and I was kind of already regretting the fact that I had ordered a plain English breakfast. I'm so not a morning person, so I'm still getting into my senses. I was trying to drink some water and some coffee and stay awake and then just get through the day. Now, I don't want my breakfast to go completely soggy, so I decided to eat even though I was not that hungry. So, this is the English breakfast meal. It comes with a omelette, sausage, some potato wedges, and a side of salad. Now, again, this flight had cutlery which was made out of steel, which made it all easy because whenever I get wooden spoons or plastic spoons, it's such a hassle to have your food, but having steel cutlery like this really helps. So the cutlery set had a spoon, a fork, and a knife. So now let's start digging into the breakfast. So what we have on the side here is a portion of spinach And this is a chicken sausage, so it was perfectly grilled on both sides. And these are potato cubes which were seasoned with salt and pepper. And finally, we had the omelette. So I'm going to taste the omelette first. It was a very fluffy omelette and looks like it's at least two or three eggs because the portion size was pretty big. So I'm pairing the omelette with some potato here. I'm seated in the middle seat here, so it was kind of difficult for me to manage my meal because there were people on both sides. So finally, amidst all the shooting and the middle seat hassles, I got to try my breakfast. Both the omelette and potatoes were pretty decent. They were not overcooked and they were not covered in too much salt, so it was a pretty good balance. So I decided to go with this combo again and again. Overall, it was a very fulfilling meal. So it had carbs, it had protein, it had fiber, so it felt like a overall balanced meal. I'm not really a potato person and I don't usually like it when they are potato wedges, but since these were just boiled and cooked potatoes, I did not have that guilt of having so much oil early in the morning. So this is the side of vegetables that we have. So these are a couple of spinach leaves. I don't know what it is called. So I decided to keep it there for now and then try the sausage. So this was a chicken sausage. I'm not again a fan of processed food early in the morning, but I have no option today, so I'll be having the chicken sausage. So the mains is almost done. Like I already said, it was a very filling meal. I have not had all the potatoes because I did not want to fill myself up, and I decided to get loaded on some fiber. So this is the mini fruit bowl that they gave us. So it came with some watermelon, some papaya and pineapple. The papaya was not very ripe, so I did not like it much, but I still had it. The papaya was sweet, so now I thought of trying something that is sour and then went for the pineapple. Pineapple was also not that ripe, so it kind of tasted sour. The only good thing was the watermelons, which were very fresh and juicy. So, on this flight, we were seated right behind the emergency exit, which meant that the window seat actually had some leg space. So every time we have this leg space, we always wonder what do we do about the entertainment system because that is often placed on your front seat. So this time we got to discover that if you're sitting on a window seat and if you don't have entertainment system right in front of you on the seat, there will again be an extension that you can pull up like this and watch your favorite shows. I don't know why, but this flight felt like a really long one, probably because I was awake during the entire duration of this flight. So by then, the crew were already serving another round of tea and coffee, so we decided to get some caffeine and boost up our energy levels. Since Sri Lanka is popular for their Ceylon tea, I decided to order some Ceylon tea. So this is the Ceylon tea that they brought. It also came with a portion of milk and then they had some stirrer, your sugar and things like those. I had tried the Ceylon tea black. I forgot to shoot a video, but it was pretty bitter and I did not like it much. So I decided to pour some milk and see if it tastes better with milk. I've opened the milk and now I'm getting to this plastic pouch. So this has one plastic spoon, a sugar sachet and a tissue. So I don't generally add sugar in my tea and today more so because yesterday you saw me eating three different kinds of dessert, so I'm already feeling guilty. Now, if you didn't know already, Ceylon tea is a high quality tea that is grown in the highlands of Sri Lanka and it is known for its bold taste and aromatic profile. It is also very rich in antioxidants which supports heart health and immunity. Okay, then now let's see how the milk pairs with this Ceylon tea. It looks like a pretty small portion of milk for this huge cup of tea, but still let's try. So I'll be pouring this milk little by little. So I'll also make sure I'll keep stirring so that there are no lumps and the tea and the milk gets blended very nicely. And yes, it definitely tasted better with milk, and this has also given me that much needed caffeine boost. So that was my journey with Sri Lankan Airways. Overall, I would say it was a good experience. Given it's a budget airline, don't expect too much from it, but it was a decent experience. So if you've enjoyed this video, do drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Explorer for more travel content. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.